Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is not actually a tutorial of how to. I just want to share my discoveries with you guys depending on the engagement I'm getting on my YouTube channel. So on my channel recently, people were complaining they don't have the edit button for their Facebook Messenger. Now I was curious to know why this happened because I used to have that option even this week. So I tried the option right now and it's not displaying. Usually when you select an image, you should be able to see edit and send, but now it's no longer there. I don't know the reason why Facebook removed this option, but I was too curious. I went to Google and noticed Messenger actually have an update. Now I don't know if it's actually going to fix anything, but I'm just going to try to update it. And also I want to see if they have any information on the latest update, but it's still downloading. I'm just going to wait for it to download to see if there was anything that was added or removed. But for some reason the edit icon is not working for now, and I'm just going to see if it works actually after I update it. But there is nothing listed on anything new, so let me see after it updates. Let's see how it goes. Let's just wait for it to update. It's currently on 27%. Alright, so I've updated it and you can notice this update, but there is nothing they displayed. There is no information they displayed for anything new. So if you click on the developers information, there is nothing new on the developers information. So probably they didn't add anything new. Instead they removed. And let me go back to open my messenger once more to see if actually anything changed or if the option is back. Let me try it once more. Oh, it's back. So actually all you need to do is just to update and you get your option back, and you'll be able to edit also. This is working very well. So I think you guys should just need to edit, and once you edit, everything will be back. So I think the edit worked very well. You guys just needed to download the latest update and then do the editing, and it's fine. I think the edit actually looked cool. They just updated the update, but they didn't specify it on their new update. They just left it unknown, but I think you guys will find this interesting. All you just need to do is just update your Facebook Messenger and this will be back. I didn't even know it's actually going to work if I update it, because I was so curious when I had so many comments about this option disappearing from their messenger. So I needed to try it, and also saw it wasn't available on first time. So this is just all I did to get back the messenger edit option. So if this is okay, make sure you smash like for the video and subscribe to the channel for more video. See you guys on my next video. Peace.